everybody, so today is Tuesday and today we are going to do a science experiment. So we're thinking this half term all about winter, and in winter we find lots of snow and ice. And there are some places in our world that are snowy and icy and freezing cold all the time. And you should have learnt about a few of those places yesterday. So today we're going to do a science experiment and we're going to work out the quickest way to freeze some water. So just with your grown-up, have a little talk about what you think freezing means. So pause the video now and think about, what does freezing mean? That's great, well done. So freezing is the process in which something changes from a liquid to a solid as the temperature becomes lower. And the freezing of water happens when it gets to 0 degrees. Sometimes you might hear your grown-up saying, "Ooh, it's very cold today, it's only 4 degrees." Well, when it gets to 0, that means that things can start freezing. So if we are freezing water, that means that the water will change from a liquid and it will become a solid. It will turn into ice. So I've got 4 cups of water here, and I'm going to put these 4 cups in different places and see which one freezes first. So the first cup, this cup here, I'm going to put in the fridge. Well done, this is a picture of a fridge. So I'm going to put 1 cup of water in the fridge. The second cup of water, I'm going to put it in my house near a radiator. A radiator is something that keeps our houses nice and warm. The third cup of water here, I'm going to put in the freezer. Well done, I'm going to put it in the freezer. And the last cup of water I'm going to put outside in my garden. Okay. Which cup do you think will freeze? Will all the cups of water freeze? And why or why won't they freeze? So have a talk with your grown-up about these 3 questions. Which cup will freeze first? Will all the cups of water freeze? And why will they freeze or why will they not freeze? So remember where we're going to put them: in the fridge, near a radiator, in the freezer or outside. In each of these places you need to think about if those places are cold or warm enough to freeze the water. So pause the video now and have a little talk about those questions with your grown-up. Great, well done. I love how you're talking about those questions thoroughly with your grown-ups and you're thinking of some really good ideas. Well done. So now it is your turn. I would like you to ask your grown-up to help you to do this experiment. So you will need 4 cups of water and you will need to put 1 cup in the fridge, 1 cup inside your house, 1 cup in the freezer and 1 cup outside. And tomorrow, come back, there'll be another video and we will find out the results. See you soon.